Let's understand the difference between a decentralized exchange and a centralized exchange in 60 seconds. First, you need to understand that an exchange is a company that trades your currency, but we're trading digital currency. It can be centralized, like Binance or KuCoin, or decentralized, like SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, whatever other swap. So these are facilitating entities to help you exchange and trade your crypto assets. Decentralized exchanges do not require registration, you remain anonymous, they are not regulated by countries, they don't have a physical presence. They're just programmed to help you do the exchange. Centralized, however, have a central entity and is controlled by an existing company. One of the biggest risks of centralized exchanges is hacks. Centralized exchanges, however, are easy to use. They usually have a customer service, and they're the entry point. Decentralized are a bit more complicated. You'd need to be more advanced.